Hello friends, I am Yashwant Kumar and welcoming you to my YouTube channel Phenomenal Studies. So today we are going to talk about the examinations related to SOF, which is of IMO, IEO, NSO and IGKO. Okay, so first of all, let me introduce to you I am Yashwant Kumar Tiwari and I am teaching the students of 9th, 10th and 11th, 12th for the past 8 years, and one of my colleagues told me to have a videos and lectures for the NSO Olympiads regarding with the students. That's why I started making video for you guys. So let's talk about the introduction of IMO and NSO, as well as the 4 category examinations, as well as the anti-SC also. Like it is for all the kinds of examinations and Olympiads which you and your kids are involved in. So let's see and talk about the levels and parts of this examination. Like you can see here clearly that I have mentioned 3 parts. One is pressure, the another one is fear, and the last one is planning. So let's talk about the fear one. I have multiple groups organized for the NSO for different classes. So right now a lot of parents and students have different kinds of doubt, as I have created 2 kinds of sections here. One is for the students and the other one is for parents. Okay, so let's talk about the parents one, because they are much more confused than the students. Like if you have heard, or maybe there are persons in your surrounding who are quite much confused than the students its own. So look my friends, I have taken few of the questions I have heard with you guys in this coming past 1 weeks, and I am going to tackle it and resolve the issues regarding with that. So first one is I am the first timer and what I have to do. Like my kid is going to give the examinations for the first time. So what are the strategies, what are the plans for it? And these are the questions basically for the class 1, 2, 3 or 4 standard parents. So let me tell you very clearly friends, for the first timers, be the motivator first. Your kid is going to be participating in this examination for the first time, but not you. In the past years you have given several examinations, and if you are so much confused, then how could you be able to help your kid in that examination? It is only your experience which helps him to overcome that pressure. If he or she, any one of your kid is participating in that examination, so you must be confident. You must be the motivator here. You have heard about Chanakya's teachings, who made a tribal kid Chandragupta a king. So let me talk to you very clearly. Don't be so much confused. Your confusion can make you a easy target for the market sellers who can sell you the prescribed books which are already sent by me in the groups, and you can be a easy target for them. So be confident and have faith in yourself. If you have faith in yourself, then only you can trust your kid and me also. Like if you are too much confused that I have to buy this product and that also, and that classes, and this master will help me, that master will help me. So let me clear you at this point that no one can help you out. Like it is only you and you. It's the game of you. Like you can't fill a form on the basis of others, that other will help you out. It's your game and you have to play it on your own. So I am the guider and I am guiding you out in that. But if you get confused and ask more people, then there are many more advices and which can blow your mind off. And you guys are well known to the story of frog and nightingale. It is taught in class 9th and 10th maybe in CBSE. So how the frog killed the nightingale. So a better motivator and a better mentor must be necessary for cracking any kind of examination. Now, don't be a confuser. If you become the confuser, so think about the commanding capability. Like a kid of 1, 2 and 3 class don't know what an examination is all about. But as per our parents like you, so ask yourself, have you not given any of the competitive examination in your mind? It is just like that. It is not a kind of something extraordinary and rocket science type thing. It is just an examination which stage and which level is only as per the grade of your kid. It's not something rocket science type material. Like a lot of you, like which brings me to question number 4, like what will be the level of examination? So has NSO or SFO directly called you that we will raising the level of examination, like we will ask class 8 question in class 1? No. So why are you just misguiding yourself as well as your kid also? Like a lot of people called me or as well as messaged me also that, sir, what will be the level of the examination? It will be the level of the class. Like they have clearly mentioned that it will be for the class 1. So it must be for the class 1. You can't predict the level. Like a lot of people have that class 1 se kaise hoga, sir? We have to study hard. We have to make it hard. Why are you making it hard? Did SOF called you, messaged you that we are raising the levels? We will ask class 9th, class 10th question in class 1? No. It's not about the level. It's about the presence of mind. Like how your kid is using his presence of mind. It's about exploring the knowledge. You have seen that buffalo is a 4-footed animal. You have seen a dog, you have seen a cow, and you also have seen a human being. And if you have to find odd one out, then you can clearly find that human being walk on the 2 legs and all the 3 categories walk on the 4 legs. So this kind of knowledge can't be given by any of the mentor. Like a lot of people here and in the groups also, like I mentioned, are selling their own and advertising and marketing themselves in a way that they have something, a stick of boom, and they blow it off and your kid become a superstar and cracker of all the 3 levels in this IGKO, IMO, IEO and NSO. The only person who can help your kid is you. Like if you are a mother, then you must have heard that the mother is the primary mentor of any of the kid. Like you can remember that your kid has learned ABCD alphabets as well as Kakha Gaga with the help of yours. Like there is no one else. And forget about alphabets and Kakha Gaga. Like your kid starts the speak or the functioning of tongue with the help of yours, then how can we you so much confused that I can't teach him? Like, it is just about the guidance. I have the PDFs, I send you in the group, and now I am here to guide you for the next levels. Like, they can't ask trigonometry and mensuration in class 1, 2 and 3. It is the level of the class, like a little bit more or less, but not that much. So be concerned that what will be the level. It will be as guided in the examination and as guided for the class. Like, you can see level as per the class, nothing will come out of it. A lot of time people are not concerned about the syllabus, and they used to say that out of the syllabus aa gaya. No, my friends, out of the syllabus nothing comes out from the syllabus. Like, have you guys ever heard about a show क्या आप पांचवी पास से तेज हैं? Like, it was hosted by Mr. Shahrukh Khan, and in that the episodes are managed and organized in such a way that even many of the scholars fail to answer the questions which are below the level of class 5. So you just keep it in mind that nothing will come out of the syllabus of your kid, like class 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so be clear about it. So far as the reasoning sections are concerned, there might be possibilities that some kids find it troublesome, but leave it to me. I will guide you. I will make you solve these questions in an easy way and give you the tricks also to solve it. So believe me, have faith in yourself, have faith in your kid, and have faith in me then. First of all, you have to trust yourself. Yeah, I can do it and I will make my kid do it. Okay? Now, how will the examinations be conducted? Like, they are online or offline? It is also often asked by the first timers. So look, my friend, does any of the mode like online and offline disturbs the preparation? No. Like, right now you are hearing my video or watching my video through the online medium, so it can't disturb you anyway. The primary thing is how your preparation is. It's all about the preparation, my friends. Not like you will go online and you have some sort of deduction of marks. No, it's not like that. It's never will be never be like that. Okay, so keep this in mind. Like, right now the examinations are going on, and a lot of people have seen that examinations are normally offline. Like, previous year I have some students and I talked to them and they just informed that the examinations are offline. So don't worry about it, whether it is online or offline. Be concerned that your kid has to do it. Like, a lot of people has informed that the examinations are going online also. So this is not the question about being online and offline. It is about how your preparation is. If you have a better preparation, the online or offline mode can't disturb your kid from cracking this exam down. Okay, now it leads me to the next question. Like, it is most often asked by guardians that do they read the questions? Why would you prefer someone else to read your question, read the question of your kid? Like, you are not there. Even if they mention in the lists that they will read the questions, was it the guarantee that they will read the questions? No. Like, if they don't read and your kid will be sitting all for the half an hour or 1 hour, so what will be the resultant? What is the key plan? If you don't make a master plan or escape plan, then you must have a sure certain possibility of failing this exam. So what you can do is, why don't you make some a specific word as the codes. Like if there is odd one out, so make your kid remind this word odd. कि बेटा if it is like odd कहीं लिखा हुआ रहेगा, if there is something written like odd, then you have to find out the different figure or different thing between the four options. You can create such codes. Add लिखा रहेगा, like if it is written like add, then you have to sum up the things. If it is like difference, you have to subtract the things. So you can do it and create the codes of your own, which will help your son or daughter to identify that what I have to do in the question paper. I have given you all the question papers. You can make the codes for yourself. Like you don't need any other body's help. If you need it, then I will be there for you. Don't worry about it. But don't be confused about these things. Suppose I told you that they will read the questions and they don't read it in the examinations. Like it is mentioned in the books and copies and their instructions that they will read. But if they don't, then what can you do? Did you file a case against them? No, you can't do it like that. You just have to prepare yourself and your kid for the next session that he has a developed capability to understand the questions. So why don't you make it this year? If he or she might fall or may fall in the examination, so it's not an examination for any small kind of level examination. It is SOF and IMO. You are facing a national level examination. Agar in case you just got the defeat, then you can say it also that I have defeated in one of the toughest and greatest examination organized in India. So don't be ashamed of it. If he loses or she loses, then also he will be able to get some more extraordinary knowledge from the examination. And the most important thing is the experience, like how the examinations are. So don't be confused about this. Now what